Alright guys, it's your boy Shades and Trades here. Form NT 10K filed today. This came out in after hours. And essentially we're going to have to wait a couple more days for them to come out with their 10K. That's really what we've been waiting for. So the charts, we're just sitting pretty down here at around 0.01, 0.012. It's just trading sideways. Not much to add there, but we have to wait now for them to come out with the 10K, and maybe we'll get some update on QYND and SAML and see if we're going to get a big move or a big piece of PR that can move the shares to 2 cents. Really is what I would be looking for. But yeah, chart wise, not much going on. I think we have, if it bounces here, if it bounces here, I think we bottomed out. And I'm going to buy in at around 0.011, somewhere around there. If it doesn't break down tomorrow, I'm buying, because at that point it's bottomed out here. QYND, this is bottomed out in my opinion under 10 cents, which is, I mentioned that previously. Like, people just love it under 10 cents, so it just always holds there. It's doing the Sybil price action where it just holds support all the time, and we can just buy it down there and flip it for 20% or more. Uh, there hasn't been a catalyst, but it's holding up above 10 cents. Yeah, it's holding at 10 cents, so that's the play there. I'll probably buy some QAND and Ilus if they don't break down tomorrow. SAML inside this ascending channel, just slowly but surely climbing higher. I'll be looking to buy at the trendline support. That's about it. There's not much happening, but it's not going to take much for it to run. Really, we've been waiting this whole time to buy at the cheapest point possible, but it looks like it might not even come back down to under a penny. So with that in mind, I'm gonna see if it doesn't break down tomorrow. I'm gonna buy, and I'll send the alert out for that. Other than that, there just hasn't been much. It's just been a quiet period, and you guys know me. The best time to buy is when no one wants it. And right now, no one wants it, because if people wanted it, we'd be running up like we did in the past. We'd be running right now. If buyers really wanted this stock, we'd be exploding. But right now, no one wants it, so I'm thinking it's time to buy. It's time to buy. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna give it one more day and see, because I don't want to buy once it starts running. I'd rather buy uh, when the 10K comes out. That might be hmm. That might be the. I might wait till the 10K comes out, actually, and see how the market reacts. That's the safer play, actually. Never mind. The safer play would be to wait until the 10K comes out and see what kind of information PRs they drop, and then react based on whatever the PR is, based on whatever's revealed in the 10K. Because then we can load up and ride whatever. If there's a trend to the upside, if there's an explosion to the upside, we can ride it. That's the safest play, in my opinion. But either way, I think it's starting to bottom out. I think it's like, it's hard not to, it's hard to, like, I don't think it's coming down lower. I don't think so. That's what, but like I said, I'm gonna wait one more day, see how it moves, see if it bounces here off of 1-1, and then the 10K is gonna tell the story. Probably gonna be the most important 10K, because they've been talking big, they've been talking a lot about, oh yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we're gonna do the other. So that 10K is gonna be big, and any PRs that come out. So those are my thoughts. I think I'm gonna start buying. I'll probably buy half of a position, half of my normal position tomorrow if it doesn't break down. I'll buy half of my normal position, and then the other half I'll probably add it after the 10K. I think that's the best way to go about it. Because if it runs, then either way I make money. If it breaks down and goes to a penny, that would just suck, and I'll just hold it at that point because we know we'll get another run eventually. And we've seen what happens when Ilus actually comes out with some serious PRs, and we get some runs. Uh, so I'm not afraid to hold the bag here at 118. It would suck to hold the bag at 1.5, at 1.7, at 2.6. Like that's where you don't want to hold the bag. But down here, I think I'd be okay. So that's what I'm thinking. That's my game plan. That's it for the video. I'll